Hello everyone. DAV Center for Academic Excellence has been striving hard such that the best reaches our DAV school teachers and the students. Thinking on the same lines, DAV CAE has come up with the DAV CMC Intellectual Hub. Now, this is the place wherein we are finding the best of the resources created by our own DAV intellectual team so that the best practices of the schools it reaches the other schools, the other DAVs also, and the best can be given to everybody. So let me tell you how to access the DAV CMC Intellectual Hub. I simply first of all type DAV CAE website address davcae.net.in, and it takes me very conveniently to this page. You can see the headings on the top. Here is written DAV Intellectual Hub. Just when you are taking the cursor here, it gives you an option of going through the DAV Intellectual Hub manual. Now, this DAV Intellectual Hub manual is a key that what all is there, and it gives us the complete detail how to register, how to create the user login, how to add the topic. We have to click to add the new post. How can we add the posts here? How can we find out the content? Let me briefly take you to the complete process. Now, this is the address I need for the intellectual hub. So I click on this and it comes to this page, which is the cover page of the main page of the DAV Intellectual Hub. Now you can see the topics: child-led learning, experimental science, mathematics, robotics, enhancing creativity, inspirational ideas, vocational training, health and wellness, social sciences, English literature, prose and poetry, and the tinkering and innovation. So these are the headings under which the content has been placed in the DAV Intellectual Hub. So let me show you a couple of things. If you see the science, experimental science, and I go on to the first thing, experimental science, seed germination. The complete video of seed germination is there. There's another video, 2 simple activities that show that sound has energy. So if I click on these, nutrition in human beings, beautiful videos which are so well explaining every small concept is being explained so nicely through these videos. So then there are so many topics, subtopics in this: experimental science, optical experiment, demonstration of eddy currents, various types of motion, magnetism, induction, converging and diverging rays, isomorphism, exclusion, and many more. Let me take you now to the mathematics page. So if you see the mathematics page, once again I click on this and it takes me there. Now just see the topics: maths through stories, a spiritual perspective of mathematics, area of the circle activity, decoding mathematics, probability, area of triangle, parallelogram, polynomials, fractions, place value system, the real numbers, math lab activities, e-teaching techniques, algebra, geometry, arithmetic, trigonometry, statistics, maths, PowerPoint presentations. So all these are the subheadings under which you're going to find the content. So let me show you the page that is already open. It is the concept introduction of the concept of perimeter to the story. Very beautiful story demonstration here. Again, the MATLAB activities. If I click on this MATLAB activity here, the page will open. You can see the various MATLAB activities can be seen by you. The length of the tangents from an external point. Then you have the curved surface area of the cone, the MATLAB activity, the sum of the areas of sectors, cut off from the vertices of the quadrilateral. Let me show you one of them. So if I open this activity, I'll just quickly scroll through. You have the GeoGebra applet being used. Now see here, these sectors are coming and joining together. Now all these 4 sectors will join to give you what? They will give you join to give you a complete circle. So how the lab activities has to be performed, that all is being shown through the video. So again, every video that has been put is a selected video by the admins, and they can be used nicely by each one of you to demonstrate the activities to your students. If I go on to the other headings, let me show you the fractions for the primary level. Just see here the fraction wheel has been shown here. If you see this video, the fun fractions lesson with pool noodles. Again, see how nicely they have shown the concept of fractions through this video. So all this content is there in the DAV Intellectual Hub. I would request you, please go through it, give us your feedback so that we can work upon it. As teachers, I'm sure you feel that it's a good teaching resource, and as the students, I'm sure that each one of you is going to benefit more by this. Thank you so much.